Today I'm interviewing like super talented, hardworking, positive, energetic, crazy, incredible guys. And I have Yhaw here, a guy I spoke to years, like 2-3 years ago?
Yeah, like 2 years.
2 years ago.
Yeah, 2 years ago.
2 years ago, man. And ever since then, his rise has been so meteoric. He's been energetic. Like I said, he's been Charlie. Welcome, man. Yeah. Bro, how you doing? Charlie, new hair,
feels good
new swag.
You get me, like
Charlie.
Since change,
bro, your growth has been crazy.
Bro.
I want to know, what is Yhaw doing right? Because there has to be something. Like there has to be a secret to the magic. Like, what is Yhaw doing? Like that's taking over or that's helping him take over as much as he is.
Yeah, man. You see how you ask you what be the secret. Yeah. That be how if God they do wonders.
Nice.
Human beings they ask you are like how this they happen
nice.
Again. So the secrets be God. No secrets there anywhere. You get me?
Nice.
Yeah,
nice. I like that, as much as you're growing, you acknowledge that, there's the Father, who's protecting and guiding you. Rightly so. Bro, for those who don't know you, you've been rapping for a while. You've actually been doing this battles, freestyles, in the clubs.
MX24.
Yeah, bro, way back, right?
Way back, yeah.
I just want to know, looking at where you've been from there to now, how proud are you of yourself? And a lot of people don't give themselves credit. Is that Yhaw that type of guy who looks back and say, Charlie, even though there's more to do, I'll do some, and I'm still going to do more.
Yeah. I do some, like how you talk, because Charlie, some people start, them no get chance or them no get them easy or I no go talk to them no get them easy, but people started, they were not able to like reach anywhere, you get me. But I'm not saying I've reached where I want to be, but then I'm grateful. I'm grateful for the journey because I look back, I did MX24 last 2 years, then I did here freestyle, like we they do battle raps and all.
Bro.
I know win, but you get me.
Yeah.
Me being able to come back again, you get me. For
I'm sure Veroski is crazy proud of you.
Yeah.
We had a conversation after. I don't know if you remember. Like Veroski was like, "This guy, man," and we were saying like, "Bro, you're going to do crazy stuff."
Yeah.
Was it always
Veroski?
Shout out to him. Was it always rap for you? Tell us about how that journey began, man.
Yeah. So it started with rap. You get me. That's when like I was going to stations, other TV stations and all. That's when I came to MX24 back then.
Okay.
So it wasn't only MX24, I was doing this rap freestyles, rap battles and all, you get me.
Okay.
But then I was also singing, you get me. But then I feel like currently I'm more on the singing vibe.
Yeah, that's actually something we're going to talk about.
Yeah, man. Currently, so you see how the market's there, right?
Yeah, bro. Like,
aside the love for what you do, sometimes you have to think for. You have to think the market side too.
Okay, so that's what's influenced, right? It is, so to speak, business, right? That has influenced the decision to, from the creative aspect to focus on singing.
Oh,
would you say that's the case?
No. Actually, I already loved singing. You get me? I had songs that I've already written down and all that. You get me? But I feel like if I'm able to manipulate or blend the two together, that means I can rap and I can sing.
Bro, they don't even need to feature anybody, man. I don't know if you get up bars,
just rap on my thing,
like
then
Drake,
sing.
man.
You get me? Like, you get me? But then it's nice to, I don't know, it be vibe if you do features. You get me? I have a lot of features down with this year. We will drop them crazy.
How did your hardcore rap fans take this? Because funny enough, I've spoken to Stoneboy about this. People who are like very multifaceted. People can sing and rap, they do all these things, right? But whether it is the market or the creative or the fact that they want to just explore. For Yhaw, how did fans respond? Especially those who didn't know.
Yeah, when it comes to Yhaw, I wasn't just doing any type of rap. I was doing rap with message, you get me, like rap with content. Then I just preach positivity, you get me. So rapping about maybe the streets and rapping about positivity and all that, then maybe I channel to singing. No huge switch or no huge difference. It's just
so the message is the same. Okay.
So the people laughed Yhaw because of the message. And once you're giving them the message, that's
for people who don't know Yhaw, who are getting to know you, what do you represent?
Bro, I represent the streets, I represent the culture, like I represent positive vibration through music, you get me?
Nice.
Not just music, but then music with content, music with positive vibration. Music you go hear then Chuck say, yo, Charlie, all the guy they talk be deep, you get me? Yeah. So if you don't know your hero before.
Yeah, so I'm assuming the streets resonate with what you're doing.
Big
like,
love to everybody out there, like everybody from Malam,
Nice.
Teman, Aoshi,
Nice.
ADK. Big love to everybody out there with it.
Nice.
ADK, do Chrome, Eastern region.
Oh,
I've been there before. Yeah,
bro, I'm from Eastern region, bro.
Yeah, I know.
My guy.
I know.
My guy.
Back then in high school, Benkum, I be there.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's my guy.
So we connected with.
Yeah, bro, I like that. Connected. I really like that word. So, okay, so now you're doing this. The vibe is growing. The music is growing. 2020 was very, very good for you.
Yeah.
Right? 2024. You dropped an EP actually last year. Let's talk about that first. In November. What was the reason for that at that time?
Yeah, Yours Fitfully. So if you hear the EP names of Yours Fitfully, why I go name EP title Yours Fitfully?
Yeah.
So it was something like an open letter to my fans or anybody out there listening to Yhaw, you get me? Because last year was very rough, you get me? And people they do some comparison, people too. You see, you know go get them easy for the Ghana, you know be only Ghana music, but then everywhere, you get me?
Yeah.
So for anybody out there who didn't really understand my sound, you get me? I just put out that EP, Yours Faithfully. If you listen, you just go.
Oh, okay.
You understand where I'm coming from. You understand my sound well.
Yeah. So basically, telling your story, you know, of. Okay. You said it was rough. Now, some people might say, Charlie, you're here, you get up with blow. But for some of us, we know that you've actually really like been grinding. So when somebody knows what you've been through, they talk to you different. They understand, say, bro, you're doing this, wish you the best. What were some of those rough moments, you know, whether it be on social media, whether it be in the industry, from industry figures or whatever? What were some of those rough moments, would you say?
I seen, like, you see, coming up, if you be artists, they come up. That's why when I came here, I was like, yo, what, like, you people, MS24, you they do back then, you people for continue, you people for no poor sound for any reason. That was a channel for even Yhaw Hero, you get me? Because for you to even get the spots, no be even TV stuff, radio stuff, you for know one or two. If you don't know one or two, you for have your own bread. You have to get your own something to connect yourself. Because it doesn't just come like that, you get me? Aside that, Charlie, it be a whole lot, I know it will come, you get me? But who knows.
Who knows. What do you think about the comparisons to Black Sherif?
Oh, it's not really necessary, you get me? Because you know me like this at the city of I know they sound.
Does it annoy you? Does it like or not really?
Yeah, if you know me, it will be different. But then if you have good ears, you have good ears and good eyes, you go see it be way, you get me, difference something.
Okay, I get you.
But then you get me how the people will try to bend you for the for the game inside. Like anyhow, anywhere you go, 10 people will try to bend you. But then it's up to you.
Is it difficult to do that things on a personal level? You know.
Oh no.
Okay, so you have
that's why I said it's up to you. You get me? Because you know, be only you come where people take the allegations with you. People come with them actually face them. So it's nothing new. You get me?
Okay, I like that, bro. I like your energy. You have one of the songs on the EP, For Life.
For Life.
And it seems like it's really catching waves. Like, people are really gravitating towards it. Tell us about For Life, man.
You know, For Life, people actually don't, some people don't know For Life is a love song. They feel like, for real.
True story?
Yeah, man. If you play...
It's a true story?
True story, bro. For Life be love song, you get me? But I hear people singing or vibing to it, like, it be street jam, like, you get me?
Okay.
But then
you said it's a true story. I really want to hear the song.
Yeah, man.
So is it like a letter to a girl? Like what's the song talking about?
No, but it was something that happened. You get me? We are just channel them to.
Okay, now I want to listen to the song, and I've got a lot of questions. I am sure. Check this out. We'll be right back. One of the songs off the EP again is Making Waves. It's called For Life. We'll be right back. Okay, bro. The girl you're singing this to must be very happy. You want to give a shout out?
Oh no.
Oh, come on now.
This song I write down for we next door beach.
Next door beach.
Next door beach, you know, next door beach.
Yeah, I think I've.
Yeah, man.
I don't know if I've been
That's
there.
how we
before.
are right for life.
Okay, so it's not for anyone in particular.
No.
Oh, Charlie. You know, I think Momsen, are you dating now? Momsen is
But
not.
then I feel
Isaac,
like the girls really they like this jam. That be why
yeah.
if they on this one.
Yeah,
you know,
because it knows about
sometimes
love
when
and
they-
stuff. But them now go break when I had to. Ever been heartbroken before?
Oh no,
Never.
I'm not reach that side. I'm not
Hey,
reach that
this
side.
guy be hard guy, oh, hey.
Oh no, no be say I be hard guy.
Girl never
but
break up
no
before.
No be say
You
I
never
be,
cry for him
know
for
be-
corner
oh,
inside.
nah.
Hey.
Wait, you know be say I be hard guy. Oh.
Uh-huh.
So, you see, say this laugh thing, it gets where you go reach, where you go out for laugh. Me a day, yeah, I be young boy. I day, you get me, I day street.
Yeah.
I no get my body finished. You get me?
Yeah, be
I still
true.
day on my grind. you
That's
get
true,
me?
bro.
Yeah, man. So you get where you go reach, where you go move inside for laugh. You get me?
Yeah.
Sometimes if you dey love self money, no day, they love self it here.
Charlie, no day, you know day.
You know,
You some
ground
rich
for
man
this
said we can't
Africa
take your
here,
girl safe.
bro.
Yeah, though.
This Africa here, then love there.
I did this last week. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 guys in the studio apart from us. Momsen, single. You guys can't see this. Isaac, single. Bro, you single. Okay, he's not. Oh, there's a gentleman who's being honest for the first time. 2 guys here. Both of you single? Come on now, both of you. So 4 out of 5. Do you know why I asked this thing last week? Because Valentine's, everybody they do something, right? But whenever I ask people, everybody's single. So who is actually dating who? Why everybody they hide? Yeah, it's like, what's going on?
My guy for there, stuff, you know, be single, but I'll be single.
Hey, it's everything. Okay. You see, boys. Okay. Okay, my producer too, she says she's single. Mom said, do we believe her?
But you get
No,
love is a good thing, though.
Yeah,
You
it's
get
a good
me?
thing,
Love
man.
is good thing, bro.
Yeah.
Me,
How do you... Mhm.
I go love.
You go love, but just
Get
say
me?
no come yet.
But
But I'm
come
sure
yet.
there's a
The-
lot
the
of
time
girls
go- the
who've
time
reached
go
out
there.
to you.
Is
Because
it?
you're a star, bro.
Oh, no.
Bro, come on. Your DMs are lit.
For real, bro. Me, I just day
So you know your mind no day.
Is it?
You know your mind no
Why
day
they
yet.
put me for corner?
Bro, I'm so proud of you, man. So the EP is on all platforms.
Yeah,
You
man,
can find
yeah,
it everywhere. People can buy
everywhere,
it. It's called Yours Faithfully. I really like that title, right? It's like a letter to, your
Yeah.
fans. Are there any videos in terms of singles of that, or are there going to be?
You go drop. Videos will be out this year, you get me? Yeah, late videos, trust me.
Okay. So this year we're getting more videos,
You go get more videos.
more
you get me?
songs,
Yeah, man.
more features.
Everything sound.
Are we going to get like another?
Expect something from me and LaRusso, you get me?
Oh, bro,
Something,
that's
yeah.
crazy.
LaRusso, big love to LaRusso, yeah.
Sheesh.
LaRusso be my OG, you get
Yeah.
me?
Oh, Larusso is dope, bro.
LaRusso
Like,
is dope.
yeah, that's
LaRusso is real.
bro.
You get me? Like, LaRusso be real, bro. This game inside,
Bro.
you know, be easy say,
Yeah.
even the top shatters have go move down to you.
Yeah. I feel that. I feel that.
One people they inside with you, then be open to the young games.
Shall
you
I
get
go
me?
after all life, cry be what?
You get me?
We're here for
Shall
like
we
a short
just
period of
sing
time.
then go?
Like, bro, I don't get why some people are so uptight trying to
Bro,
pull
we
people
just
down.
came to sing
Like,
and
where would they
just-
take go?
You get me? So
Yeah,
big
man.
love to Larusso.
Yeah.
He's one real guy.
Yeah, that's really, really true. I've met him a couple of times, spoken to him, always good energy, and I'm very also proud of what he's doing. And I like the fact that you're acknowledging
Yeah, man.
people look up to. Are there any other artists you'd love to work with that you haven't worked with yet?
You go come. I dey work with more artists.
Okay.
You go come. Yeah, we
Okay.
go drop more.
Okay.
Drop more joints.
Okay.
You go come.
Is there
But
anything
then-
you want to tell your fans before you go?
Bro, if I get Sarkodie on the joint, it go be crazy.
Yeah, bro, let's put it out there.
Sheriff, if I get Sheriff on the joint,
Yeah.
it go be mad. No two ways.
Yeah.
You get me? Kusiata, you get
Oh,
me?
bro.
Yeah.
That'd be
me and
fire, man.
Kusiata on the joint. Bro, I'm a dog, so my cash
Yeah, the universe listens, so it's gonna
You get
happen.
me? Yeah,
Put it
once
out there, positive energy is gonna bounce
vibration,
right
it
back.
will come.
Vibrations, I like that. As I was saying, is there anything you want to tell your fans before you
just
leave?
big love to everybody out there. You get me? Big love to any Yhaw Hero fan out there where they watch me live. You they put my songs out there. You they put anybody on Yhaw Hero. Charlie or Don Kwan. You go be bigger. You get me?
Nice one. Amen, man. Gonna be way
Charlie,
bigger.
they appreciate you.
Yeah,
too.
I got you, bro. I got
Charlie,
you. I
this
got
guy,
you.
me then this guy for here last year. Crazy.
Yeah,
no,
you see,
last 2 years.
you see how
crazy.
life works,
Yeah, man.
and it's crazy. Next time when you're bigger and bigger, we're gonna be I'm like, that's my guy, man. And now I've got all these people on my WhatsApp. So like if I'm reaching, I'm like, yeah, hero, that's my guy. Bro, thank you so much for coming through. I'm proud of you.
appreciate,
Keep
bro.
doing your thing. I pray you do bigger things. Stay as positive as you're saying. Don't let anything, detract you from your journey, because this journey we're on, it's a crazy ride, bro. But once you put God first and you do your thing, He's gonna definitely see you through, right? Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Find his music, as you said, it's on all platforms. Buy it. That's the #1 way to support the artists. I have to let you go. I know you're gonna miss me. I'm gonna miss you too. But I'll be back this week. Salute.